Dishwasher Troubleshooting. Drainage problems. Drainage problems can be a common issue with GE dishwashers. These problems often lead to water pooling at the bottom of the dishwasher. Understanding the troubleshooting codes can help you identify and fix these issues quickly. Blocked drain. A blocked drain is one of the most common causes of drainage problems. Food particles, debris, or even small utensils can clog the drain. A clogged drain can prevent water from draining properly. To check for a blocked drain, turn off the dishwasher, remove the bottom rack, inspect the drain area for debris, clear any visible blockages. Regular cleaning can help prevent future blockages. Use a soft brush or cloth to clean the drain area. Faulty pump. A faulty pump can also cause drainage problems. The pump is responsible for moving water out of the dishwasher. If it fails, water will not drain properly. Signs of a faulty pump include unusual noises during the drain cycle, water remaining in the dishwasher after the cycle ends. If you suspect a faulty pump, you may need to replace it. This can be a more complex repair and may require professional help. For those comfortable with DIY repairs, follow these steps. 1. Turn off the power to the dishwasher. 2. Remove the dishwasher's bottom panel. 3. Locate the pump and inspect for damage. 4. Replace the pump if necessary. Always refer to your dishwasher's manual for specific instructions. Proper maintenance can extend the life of your dishwasher. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.